What's up guys, and welcome back to another video. In today's video, the Bitcoin price right now is holding on by a thread, waiting to decide the next exact direction which is going to go. Take a look at the chart right now, because as I said in yesterday's video, if we do break down below this exact level right here, we are going to almost certainly see a dump in the Bitcoin price all the way down to this level right here. However, as of now, yes, it is a weekend, we are seeing a potential bounce, of course, a very early potential bounce from this level. And I want to talk about that in today's video, because we have in fact taken out this previous low right here and had an even lower low exactly right there. So I want to talk about what that means in today's video. I want to go over my trade and some other things as well in today's video. As always, sit back, relax, and get ready for the video. All right, guys, welcome back to another video, and thank you for joining me once again. As always, a massive special thank you to each and every one of you watching at home. I truly do appreciate it. To give back, I'm giving away $100 every single Monday. Simply drop your comments down below and you'll be automatically entered. And of course, guys, if you're in the UK, USA, or UAE, please do not watch or engage with my content. And I am not a financial advisor. Please consult a legal one in your country. Let's get into the charts, because right now it is 8 p.m. on a Saturday evening in Dubai, beautiful Dubai. And let's take a look at exactly what is going on, because if we see the hourly chart right here, yes, it does look a little bit boring. Yes, nothing really has happened. And yes, on the hourly chart, we did actually break down below this level of upwards ascending level of support right here. We can see exactly there, exactly right there, and exactly right here. We have in fact broken below it a little bit. However, it doesn't really matter. When we take a look at the 4-hourly chart, it's just a little wick below it. It doesn't really matter. What does matter is that we in fact hold this level and we don't break down below it, because if we do in fact break down below it, this is the real important low that we want to stay above right here at approximately $62,500. If we can stay above this level exactly right here, I can be confident that we can see a potential push back up and a retest all the way up here to $67,300. I'm still in my trade on Bitcoin as well, around $25,700 in a profit over on Ubit. And if you too wanted to join me and trade over on Ubit, currently right now there is no KYC, but only join if it's legal to do so in your country. Down below today's video, there is actually a deposit $100 and get a $1,000 trade voucher. And there's a tutorial down there as well, which is absolutely amazing. Also, if you did want to join an amazing free group, I pretty much journal all of my trades here. It's called Chart Chasers Alerts. We can see the last trade was about 180% in a profit with only a 2x leverage. Previously, we can see all the trades right here. It's been absolutely flying and it's been going really, really well. So go ahead and join down below. It's completely free for a limited time only. I'm going to cap it probably in the next few hundred joiners. So that is also down below. We can see Join Chart Chasers right there. So what do I think is going to happen for the Bitcoin price? Well, if we are staying above this level, I think we could potentially see some kind of a bounce and a retest up here. When we do in fact take a look at that though, we can see at this chart right here that if we were to pump up to approximately, or dump down, sorry, let's talk about the pump first. If we were to pump up to approximately $72,600 US, we would see approximately $4 billion worth of shorts liquidated if we see a pump up to 72,600. If we take a look on the chart right there, 72,600 is actually pretty high. It's all the way up here. And yes, it could happen eventually. However, I don't think it's going to happen in the immediate short term. The more realistic scenario, which we could see happen, is right here. If we were to dump down to approximately $57,200, we would see about 9.2 billion worth of leverage shorts liquidated. And we can see the levels right here. There's a lot of levels right here, and a huge one right there, almost $1 billion, is here at $63,400. So if we were to dump down here at 63,400, it would be approximately this level right here. So a lot of people are actually betting over $1 billion that if we don't, that we won't go down below this level. And honestly, usually the market likes to go to where the maximum amount of pain is. So I wouldn't be surprised if we see a wick down here and a continuation back towards the upside. I do think potentially we are going to test this level again. I'm just not sure if Bitcoin has the strength to break it. Honestly, I pretty much think it doesn't have the strength to break it. Previously back here in June, we sort of touched it. We had our nice summer vacation all this time. Nothing really happened, and we're back at the same area right there. The snorkel is not on just yet, But if we do break out above the $67 level, $67,000 level, we can definitely agree that the snorkel will be back on and I will be underwater. So I'm keeping my trade as it is now. If you didn't see in yesterday's video, again, I've got around 16.3 Bitcoin on a limit order right here at approximately 46, not approximately, at exactly 46,000 US dollars. So I really do hope that this will in fact hit. We can see it does look like quite a long way. If we go here to the, let's say the daily chart, and we take a look at this, it does look like it's a long way away. However, these price targets can easily hit in a bear market and we can easily wick down to these levels. Again, my price target for this bear market, I've told you many times before, guys. I'll tell you again, why not? My price target is approximately high 40s to low 50s. And again, the worst case scenario being this 0.786 Fibonacci right there. If I just move this up right there, the 0.786 Fibonacci, we did actually go down and test in the previous bull market. That was down at approximately 18,000 US dollars. And we did bounce down to the 786 after breaking through the golden pocket. And again, we haven't even broken the freaking golden pocket yet, guys, which I really think we're going to do, which is approximately $54,000. So honestly, I think the best case scenario could be Bitcoin around $55,000 in my opinion. However, I think it could go much lower, potentially high 40s to low 50s. That is my scenario. And that's why I am using UBIT right now to go ahead and place those open orders, those limit orders on the exchange, waiting to go ahead and do so. And if you did want to do something similar, guys, again, the link is down below. There's no KYC, so you don't need to put your ID or anything if it's legal to do so in your country. I want to talk about this because I posted it over on my X at CryptoJack, and it got around 22,000 views, which is nice. We may see something interesting for Bitcoin this autumn. And we can see right here, each time we have this level right here where the MACD and the RSI are going into an oversold position right there. Each time we do have that, it signals some form of a local, not even a local, but a bottom. And we can see each time it's happened, we've seen bullish price action. Each time it's happened, bullish price action up to the all-time high. Again, and so on and so on. And now we are coming into these levels, into these ranges. So I do think we are pretty close to the bottom. Again, my target of mid to low 50s to high 40s, we're only around 10 to 15%, 20% maybe maximum away from those levels. So I do think that we could in fact be seeing these very, very soon. Also, if we take a look at this as well, we can see that the positive to negative sentiment on Ethereum, the ratio on social media has actually dropped to an extreme low as well. Over the past month, these levels have typically been followed by a rebound in Ethereum. I don't really cover much altcoin stuff on the channel anymore as they're just not really in a great place right now. However, if you would like some more altcoin videos, definitely let me know down below with a comment, and of course I can get those videos out if you do in fact want that content. And again, we can see each time we have a low sentiment for Ethereum, it does follow by a push towards the upside, and once again the same thing is happening. Again, if we take a look at these liquidation levels on the chart, on the liquidation heat map, we can see 67K is the range to watch for the upside, and down here in the short term, around 61,800 is the zone to watch. So that's pretty much it for today's video, guys. Again, not really a lot happening. It is a weekend, so I hope you do go outside and don't look at the charts too much. Again, I'm waiting for this level to hold or break to decide what to do next. Again, if we see a bounce from this level and a couple of confirmed daily closes, we could be heading back up to this 67K level to retest it. If we don't, then most likely we'll be heading back down to these kind of levels down here, the low 60s or high 50s. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll catch you in the next one.